Sensibility and practicality define the 2012 Jeep Wrangler. This two-door, four-passenger convertible is waiting for you to take home. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include front bucket seats, a rear window wiper, skid plates, and voice-activated navigation. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as integrated rollover protection, brake assist, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.